Today I'll teach you how to use update stored procedure in ASP.NET. Here I am making use of customers table, the schema of which is shown on your screen. In this particular table, the customer ID field is set to auto increment. We'll start by adding an HTML table. Where I'll be adding a few text boxes. The first text box is for ID. The next text box is for name. Then the third text box is for country. Once the text boxes are added, I'll be adding a button. This button will be used for updating the records in the database table. Let's move to the code behind. We'll start by adding some namespaces. So the very first namespace is system.configuration. And finally system.data.sql client. So now I am adding the event handler for the button. Here we'll specify the name of the update stored procedure. The next thing I am doing is declaring a variable for capturing the connection string from the web.config file. For more information on reading connection string from database, please refer to the video on the right hand side. I have created an object of SQL connection class and I have passed the connection string variable to it in the constructor. The next thing I'm doing is creating the SQL command object to which I'll pass the update stored procedure. Now here we'll specify the name of the command type. Now I'm adding the parameters to be passed to the stored procedure. The first one is ID, to which I'll pass the customer ID. The second one is name. Then the third is for country. The next thing I am setting the connection to SQL command object. So the final task is to open the connection, then call the execute non-query function, and then close the connection, which will execute the query, also update the data to the database. After that, I'm making use of if condition to check whether the row was updated or not. If the row is updated, then I am displaying the success message with the help of JavaScript alert message box. And if the row was not updated, then I am displaying a alert message box saying that customer not found. Now again I am moving to the ASPX page. I'll be now assigning the on-click event handler to the button. Now our project is ready. Let's run it and see it in action. As you can see, the text boxes and the button are visible. This is the database table. Before update, I'm filling the text boxes with the appropriate values and I'm clicking on the update button. I got a success message box saying that the record was updated. As you can see, the row is updated. With this, we come to an end. Today we learned how to use update store procedure in ASP.NET. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and please also click on the bell icon so that you receive notifications. Goodbye.